Hello, my name is Sergio Hernandez. I am doing a video portion of my microbiology class. Today we are doing carbohydrate fermentation, and today is November the 27th, Tuesday, and we will be doing some inoculating here with both S. epidermidis and S. cerevisiae. Now, the purpose of this project or this experiment is going to be for identification purposes. So what we're going to do is we have 6 tubes of phenol red, and I've already went ahead and put 3 carbohydrates, 3 sugars in there. We went ahead and did glucose, we did fructose, and we also did mannitol. So we're going to put in there to see if when we inoculate with these bacteria, if they produce acid or gas. So the phenol red is an acid or a pH indicator, and it's red and should turn yellow if the pH drops. And also if gas is produced, we went ahead and put a Durham tube inside it, inverted. That way any gas will be trapped in the tube, and we'll be able to not only identify the gas, or also by the color we'll be able to identify that the pH is changed, thus giving us our result. Now I do want to point out, I pulled out my 3 test tubes, and one of my test tubes obviously has been already, the pH is obviously wrong, so something happened on shipment or when they first made these. I haven't done anything. They've been in their case as this is the same way I received them, but we're going to go ahead and do it anyways because this is what I have, and I'll go ahead and still see if my color changes, if I catch any gas in the Durham tube, and so on. I know that kind of messes up my experiment, but we'll do the best we can here with what we have. So the first thing we're going to do is I already flamed opening and closing when I introduced the carbohydrate into it. And then I will do the same not only for my samples, but my phenol red tubes as well. So let's go ahead, and we're going to go ahead and do one at a time. We have both two of each, and we have 6 tubes. So I'm going to do all of the glucose first, or I'm going to do all of the cerevisiae first, and then we're going to do all of these because I only have the 2 pipettes. So I'm going to go ahead and open and flame these in order. So this is going to be one. I'm going to get the next one, who's also the fructose cerevisiae. Set you down. Go ahead and flame this one. And set this down. The next one. Should we flame it? Set it down. Now these are going to be our cerevisiae, which is this guy. So let's go ahead and open and flame this one so we can inoculate the 3. I'll go ahead and get our... Now when I had these soaking in alcohol earlier this morning, these should be dry. They've been out for a while. I don't see any alcohol in it, so we're going to go ahead and start. It's going to be 4 drops of each. So let's start by getting our broth here. We're going to put 4 drops here. This is a cerevisiae, so let's go. 2, 3, and 4. As well as 4 there. And 4 drops there. This goes back in the alcohol so I can dispose of that. Let's go ahead and flame this closed. And nice and tight. Use next. So these are nice and tight. Now we're going to go ahead and flame these guys, and then we're going to do the epidermidis. So we're going to flame open. And this should be the epidermidis. Epidermidis, make sure I got the right one. I'm gonna flame you. Okay, so let's go ahead and inoculate everybody. Let's get some goodie here. Jump to the side. Start with this one. This is epidermidis, and this is going to be the mannitol. There's drops of that one. Drops of that one. Four drops of that one. Into the alcohol for you for disposal. Let's flame you back on. Nice and tight. We'll flame these one at a time here. This is two. Two's in the middle. This is one. Ensure they all got the same cap, same everything. Last but not least, my number 3 mannitol of the epidermidis. Its cap. Well, okay, we're going to go ahead and film. We're going to go ahead and incubate these for 12 hours. If not, we can go an additional 4. So a total of 16 hours. We'll go ahead and get our results, see if we got some gas, see if our pH indicators have actually given us a positive result, and then we can go ahead and make our determination and document everything. So I'll see if I get a change on that one test tube that I have a little bit of discrepancy there, but we'll do the best I can. That's what I got, so we got to work with what we have. So thank you very much. I will get all these into my lab assistant and see what happens. Thank you very much, and see you next video.